Having high-speed internet available to you and your whole home at all times has become a need in today's world, and that means it's essential to have a provider that doesn't place restrictive data caps on your internet service. Now, thankfully, providers such as HughesNet have high-speed internet plans that have no hard data limits, so you'll never be disconnected from service when you need it most. With HughesNet, you pay for exactly the data you need, so you're not spending on unused data. Plus, HughesNet Internet prides itself on being one of the simplest internet services in the game. You can manage all of your data from the easy-to-use HughesNet mobile app. And if you do have any difficulty, HughesNet has some of the best customer service available. And get this, if you sign up for HughesNet Internet today, you can take advantage of free standard installation from one of our trained specialists who will take care of everything. All you have to do is have an idea of where you want your router located, centrally in your home and near power. If you're interested in signing up for HughesNet Internet, click the link below. And don't forget to mention promo code GET75. That's GET75 for your free $75 gift card, courtesy of Satellite for Internet, your HughesNet authorized retailer.